How to replace a Human Touch Quies fabric massage mechanism cover. You will need a paper clip to complete this procedure. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, pull up on the headrest pad to detach it. Then, unzip the top of the body pad. Now, open the zipper that secures the front of the body pad to the foot and calf massager. Locate the two inner zippers, open both zippers. Next, unscrew the heat cable connector lock, then disconnect the connectors. Remove the body pad from the chair. Finally, use a paper clip to open the fabric massage mechanism cover zipper, then remove the cover from the chair. To install the new cover, attach the cover zipper to the chair, then use the paper clip to close the zipper. Now, place the pad into position, then attach and close the left-hand side zipper. Connect the heater cables, slide the cable lock over the connectors, then twist it clockwise to secure it. Now, attach and close the right-hand side zipper. Next, zip the front of the body pad to the foot and calf massager. Then, zip the top of the body pad to the chair. Reattach the headrest pad and head pillow. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.